सलाहुद्दीन अय्यूबी उठ कमर से इस उम्र की बेटियां पुकार
Okay, as a Palestinian, I know the hardships of how it is in Pakistan. What's been going on in Pakistan is a joke. It's ridiculous. Imran Khan actually was voted in by the Pakistani people because he was there for them and their rights. He supported them, he made sure that they could get what they needed when needed. And now obviously, it goes against the Western society, you know, how the Western people want to rule this world, so they're trying to bring down Imran Khan and everyone that supports Imran Khan. To be honest, he's the only one that's going to help, so Imran Khan.
We're the voice for the oppressed. Labbaik Allah Hussein.
How come that there is Israel can get away with anything against the Palestinians, violate all human rights, yet there's no condemnation, no strong words, no thought of sanctions. Yet when it concerns European powers, then we are supposed to take stance. So I mean, I just find it, this morality which is selective, I find that a bit hard to swallow.
We're going to direct the camera now towards the explosions. Can you hear me? Yes, I've directed the camera now towards the explosion. This is a Shruk tower that has been brought down. As you can see, I was standing right opposite to it when I was talking to you.